My dad's actually caught one of those before. It's like
you know the names, right?
Hey, look, Dad. I took a video. I see it here. Dad, look, I took a video.
There she is.
So that's Alice, and then that's Trixie.
Daddy's been this close to the current.
That's the largest that ever lived on planet Earth.
The girl up to 40 feet.
27.
I got this close to a year. And then I got out of there. Quickly.
She can eat about 25 pounds of food alcohol per day. Look, she's going into that boat now.
She wants more.
And she will open that whole mouth wide and fall on that boat. See, that's Trixie's action. She will be about 60 feet long. We hope to.
How big is she right now?
27 feet long.
27? 60. That's huge. Does she have to go into a bigger tail?
No, this is going to hold it on until she gets bigger.
Okay.
Not being this exhibit.
Right.
See one swimming by? Yeah, it's going up and
You could fit like a lot. You could fit like
Wait, I don't really want to leave.
We're gonna go to the big. You and Ricketts.
Also, look at the big story here.
How is it stuck? It's stuck.
You'll go over here. I want to picture
She's all white.
I am. I'm not gonna be scared. It's not gonna be
she's all white from her head to her tail. That's not common.
Oh my God. He's trying to go to the Thank you.
Why does she eat all the fish? Because she will die if she
Giant grouper.
The animals in Ocean Voyager represent more than 80 species of all shapes and sizes, including the world's largest fish, the whale shark. In fact, Georgia Aquarium is the only aquarium in the Western Hemisphere to exhibit these amazing creatures. Whale sharks grow in excess of 40 feet long, and their mouths can be 4 feet wide. Their throats, however, are about an inch wide. And that means the food they eat can't be any larger than a quarter.
Whoa. Come on this side. Come on this side.
Whoa.
Whoa. They're about to hit each other. Oh, look at the turtle! Look at the turtle!
One of our 4 manta rays swimming overhead. Or a grouper cruising near the bottom. We have several species of sharks in Ocean Voyager, including the tasseled wabagong, black-tipped reef shark, sandbar shark, and of course, the whale shark. The floor of Ocean Voyager teems with life as smaller fish dart around rocks and hole-filled concrete structures lining the bottom. These strange-looking rocks are reef balls. They're used as conservation tools to help rebuild the damaged coral reefs. Coral use the reef balls as foundation for growth and development. Smaller fish find shelter and protection within the concrete holes.
I mean, they have like sensors.
Look at that fish.
It's a sting, right?
I think he's stuck. Or is he sleeping?
Sharks have even been born at Georgia Aquarium. Some sharks, like the zebra shark, lay eggs, while others, the black-tipped reef shark, for instance, give live birth. In fact, the gestation period of a black-tipped reef shark is 16 months. That's as long as the gestation period for a beluga whale.
Guess again.
I don't know what everyone.
Rupert.
No fun.
For putting through this exhibit.
Oh.
A long time ago, they could fit in this exhibit. You go over to see what Tracy could do if she was putting all the figures.
Oh.
Unless I could put its head through it and its tail would go over the side. If you want to dive here at the Georgia Aquarium, you guys can snorkel anytime with Trixie, Alice, you, Simon, and Kevin.
It's like $350. You can actually dive there. Yeah,
Is it a dive or a snorkel?
it's a dive. Well, I think they do both, don't they? They do a dive and a snorkel.
Yeah.
Yeah, the dive I think is $100 more than the snorkel. If I lived in Georgia, I'd do it. We got to get back to Louisiana. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Scrubs. Go Tigers.
Go Tigers. Say go Tigers, buddy. I don't think you're supposed to do that, but I'm gonna let you.
We did a
Get down,
project
Gabe.
on a female whale shark. She had about 16 pounds.
Really, 16. But one, maybe
Look at that
two
big
would
snake.
actually make it.
Look at that. He's coming for you.
I don't know if
He's gonna
it's
get you.
around.
Run out.
Run away up here. I'll fall down.
Yeah. Why did we name her Alex and Trixie?
Trixie. That's not fun. I'm not sure.
Walk the moon.
Walk the moon, yeah.
That's why those are actors in my own movie.
Right. Yeah, they're the stars of the show.
They're the stars of the show.
It took a long time to get Alice and Trixie.
I imagine so. They came from Asia.
In Taiwan.
Mm-hmm.
Taiwan to Japan, Japan to Alaska, Alaska to California, California to
Gosh.
They flew them.